Some stand still in biting cold. Some keep watch as nights unfold, so that every dawn we wake to calm, free to hope, to dream, to move ahead. This is the spirit our republic was built on. Duty before self, strength in service, progress rooted in protection. As India marks another Republic Day, the nation does more than remember its past. It prepares for tomorrow through technology, through manufacturing, through strengthening the forces that safeguard our freedom. And as this journey takes shape, investors have a chance to participate in it by investing in companies building India's defense ecosystem and in a future secured by preparation. Aditya Birla Sun Life Nifty India Defence Index Fund. Be part of the preparation shaping India's tomorrow. Happy Republic Day.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.